Well, yeah. I mean, I think that independence of thought is one of the most fundamental things in investing. I think that you know I call myself the shameless cloner, and cloning is a very good thing. It's good to borrow ideas from Einhorn and Company, especially since they're free. Uh, but I think that that's the starting point, and after that you have to basically run it through a set of very independent filters in terms of things like, is it within your circle of competence? Do you understand the business? What is it worth? What are the risk factors? Run the checklist and so on. uh, I have found it useful to have conversations with Guy Spear, so we do that as well. And so yeah, I think you have to have strong conviction. You have to have independence of thought, and that's just I think just a most basic requirement for being a decent investor. Did I answer your question?
Yes, and I was more hitting on the internal idea generation. So you mentioned with Guy Spear, so just how you bounce ideas around, or if you come to ideas alone, and then we'll go into a room and talk about them.
By the time we get done with this talk, you're going to have a relatively low um, impression of me. I have no internal ideas. I am only focused on ideas generated by Einhorn and Company. Please make sure you mention that to David next time and thank him from me. So I haven't had an original idea for a very long time. And I did have an original idea a few years back, which is called Horsehead Holdings, but we'll discuss that at another time.